Hello friends, tini je job ni notification kha Tripura Public Service Commission Agartala ira advertise number rijak tongo 2022 ni 10 number advertise number ira lajaknai personal assistant grade 2 PA2 lajaknai o job ni bagai apply khlainai online application khlaithai ira suryajatno stenographer service group C non gazetted ira pay scale rijak tongo 500-700 ni simi 24000 jora grade pay rijak nai 2800 taka o job ni bagai vacancies songkha total tongo 50 vacancies unreserved ni bagai tongo 18 HC ni bagai tongo 10 ST ni bagai 22 ta vacancies tongo e job na runa thangke sine main nango education qualification khaira suri tongo 12 pass nangnai 12 pass khlaijak kari phano madhyamik pass khlaiयै stenographer course khaijak nangnai any ITI 50% mark lagai अपने उला खेरे सुरिजक तंगो knowledge of operating computer tongna nangnai 3 month certificate tongna nangnai typing ni speed ongkha ira surijak tongo per minute 40 words and 100 word per minute respectively rijak tongo अपने उला खेरे सुरिजak tongo je age limit minimum age limit ongkha 18 years ni sini maximum tongo ira 40 years obo count khlaijaknai 31 tarik 5 March 2022 jorana count khlaijaknai HC ST PS candidate ni bagai 5 years relaxation rijaknai obongkha 45 years jorana ira last day rijak tongo online ni 31 tarik 5 March 2022 tarik jora sarik ni 5:30 PM jorana online application submit khlaimanai ira online application portal rijak tongo narone nedi ira surijak tongo je online application portal 2 tarik 5 March 2022 ni simi 31 tarik 5 March 2022 sarik ni 5:30 PM jorana apply khlaimanai to syllabus process na to friends na lene tabok number 4 syllabus and other condition of selection process na lene abo selection process ongka sakango 100 bakni multiple choice types test lajaknai MCQ type lajaknai exam 100 bakni obne ulakhe 2 number do rijak tongo typewriting by short handwriting and transcription using computer ni bisingtei 200 mark ni exam lajaknai or 3 number rijak tongo ira main exam bongkha 250 ni lajaknai conventional type test qualifying mark 50 minimum 50% mark will be qualifying mark ira rijak tongo typewriting by short handwriting and transcription ira relaxable rijaknai up to 40% in case of HC ST candidates roni bagai fighting ke friends song tabana lenai obne lekhe ira surijak tongo subject for the main exam na lenai paper 1 rijak tongo ira English bokha 100 mark ni 3 hour obne khle paper 2 rijak tongo Bengali or alternative English bokha 50 mark ni rijak tongo paper 3 ongkha GK and current affairs rijak nai bokha 100 mark ni grand total ongkha ira 250 mark ni main exam rijak nai to friends ye job ni bagai je application fee ongkha rijak tongo group C post ni bagai group C post ira rijak tongo 200 ongkha general candidates rongni bagai 150 ongkha ira rijak tongo only for ST HC BPL card holder physically handicapped candidates rongni bagai ira 150 taka maranai to friends noro nogoi makhna je TPSC ni bisingtei je personal assistant grade 2 PA2 ni je job ni notification na o mohai job ni notification naina bagai haste ni job channel no subscribe khlai toni tei bell icon no click khlai toni tei video upload khlaimani sate sate norok nogoi manna tei video paithak jora naina bagai jotono hambai।